Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have two powerful robot vacuum cleaners up for comparison. In one corner, we have the Roborock Q Revo, and in the other corner, we have the Robot Vacuum. Both claim to be the ultimate cleaning companions, but which one will come out on top? Let's find out in this head-to-head battle. Let's start with the price. The Roborock Q Revo comes with a price tag of $899, while the Robot Vacuum is priced at $699. While the Q Revo may be a bit more expensive, it offers some unique features that might make it worth the investment. Now let's talk about the docks. The Q Revo comes with a feature-packed dock that offers auto mop washing, hot air drying, and a 5L water tank for a maximum mopping range of 4,305 SQFT. It even has a self-emptying function that provides hands-free cleaning for up to 7 weeks. On the other hand, the Robot Vacuum also has a 2-in-1 mopping function with a 230 milliliters electric control water tank. Both docks have their advantages, but the Q Revo's multifunctionality gives it an edge. When it comes to cleaning performance, both robots excel in different ways. The Q Revo boasts dual spinning mops with a spinning speed of 200 RPM, ensuring spotless floors every time. It also features auto mop lifting of 7 mm, allowing it to clean both carpets and floors seamlessly. The Robot Vacuum, on the other hand, has a powerful 1,400 pascals suction and a brushless suction port, making it ideal for pet owners. It also offers 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes, including an impressive zigzag path mode that can cover a large area. Now let's talk about obstacle avoidance. The Q Revo utilizes Reactive tech obstacle avoidance, which allows it to detect and avoid potential hazards with precision. It even offers 3D mapping technology for accurate and customized cleaning. On the other hand, the Robot Vacuum has advanced 3D precise obstacle avoidance that intelligently identifies and avoids white walls, stairs, and obstacles. Both robots are equipped with impressive obstacle avoidance capabilities. Finally, let's delve into the smart features. The Q Revo offers advanced app and voice control through the Roborock app, allowing you to control various settings and even set no-go zones. It is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Siri shortcuts, giving you the convenience of voice commands. Similarly, the Robot Vacuum can be controlled through the Tuya Smart app and is also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. Both robots offer convenient smart features to enhance your cleaning experience. According to Amazon reviews, the Roborock Q Revo has received positive feedback for its cleaning performance and multifunctional dock. Reviewers appreciate its spotless cleaning and advanced features like Reactive tech obstacle avoidance. On the other hand, the Robot Vacuum has also received praise for its affordability and strong cleaning power. Pet owners particularly love its powerful suction. Overall, both robots have their strengths and weaknesses, and it ultimately comes down to personal preferences. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Roborock Q Revo and the Robot Vacuum. While both robots have their unique features and advantages, it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a multifunctional dock and advanced obstacle avoidance, the Q Revo might be the one for you. On the other hand, if you prioritize strong suction power and efficient cleaning modes, the Robot Vacuum could be your perfect match. Remember to consider your budget and the features that matter most to you before making a decision. Stay tuned for more comparisons and reviews on Buy Smart. See you next time.